Welcome to the Summer Youth Employment and Learning Program application tutorial. This tutorial will briefly walk you through the application process and will note some key points to keep in mind as you complete your application. Let's get started. If this is your first time applying, you will need to create an account here. You will need to use a valid email address in order to verify your account. If you are returning, please use your username and password from last year. If you forgot your password, click here to complete the Recover Password process. To create your application, scroll down and click this button highlighted here. Notice that next to this box is a link to take you back to the Summer Youth Employment website, which has more videos on the program and a frequently asked questions document, as well as general program resources. After clicking the application button here, hit Apply Now to start a new application. The first series of questions you will need to answer are the eligibility check questions. These questions are required to save your application. Once you complete date of birth, applicant age, your address, city, town, if you are legally allowed to work in the U.S., and if you are a foster care youth, you will need to hit Save in order to save your application. The next page gives you the option to choose a provider. If you would like to learn more about the providers available, feel free to visit the SYELP page to view our provider video series. Please select a provider from the drop-down menu in order to continue. At this point in time, you can save your application and continue it later, or hit Next to continue answering the series of questions. Once you pick your provider and click the Next button, you'll be asked a few more questions. Again, this is where you will need to verify your email to ensure it is valid. At the bottom of this form, please fill in the applicable information. If you do not have it, you can always save and continue it later or hit Next. And after filling in all the basic information, this will be what your dashboard looks like. To the side, you will see here how much progress you have made with the progress percentage bar. If you have a check mark next to one of these titles, that indicates that the section is complete. The X indicates that there's information still needed. You can go back and complete those sections by clicking this Edit button here. It is important to note that you can submit your application without all of your uploaded documents. Your provider will help you complete that part of the process. In the next video, we will show you how to properly upload documentation to this application.